In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Edit in Canva. We'll walk through a simple example where we add highlights to hair in a photo, but you can apply the exact same process to all kinds of edits. I'll explain each step slowly so you can follow along in your own Canva design. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the image you want to edit is already on your canvas. Then click on the image once. This tells Canva which element you want to work with. You should see a border and some options appear around or above the image when it's selected. If you accidentally click off it, just click the image again to reselect it. Next, look for the edit option in the toolbar that appears when the image is selected and click on edit. This opens up Canva's editing panel where all of the adjustment and AI tools live. If you don't see it right away, check that you're still selected on the image and not on the background or another element. Inside the edit panel, find and click on the brush tool. This is what lets you paint over the exact area you want Magic Edit to change. Think of it as telling Canva, only change this specific part and leave everything else alone. Now use the brush to carefully cover the hair area in the photo. Take your time here. Try to follow the general outline of the hair without brushing over the face or the background. It doesn't have to be perfectly precise, but the more accurate you are, the better your result will look. If you make a mistake, you can usually undo or erase and try again. Once you've brushed over the hair, click on Magic Edit. This is the AI tool that will create a new version of that brushed area based on what you tell it. After clicking Magic Edit, you'll see a text field where you can describe the change you want. In that text field, type in highlight. You can be a bit more specific if you like, such as soft blonde highlights or subtle light brown highlights. But for this example, highlight is enough to guide the tool in the right direction. Finally, click on Generate. Canva will process your request and show you new versions of the hair with highlights added. You can preview the options and then choose the one that looks best for your design. If you're not happy with the first results, you can generate again with a slightly different description until you get the look you want.